welcome to Integrated Learning Strategies. My name is Elaine, and today our guest is Tara. She's an occupational therapist from Yums TheraPlay, and we are working on activities that cross that imaginary line that divides your body from top to bottom. We're actually going to be doing a fun activity. It looks like bowling, and it is, except we're going to be varying it just a little bit, and we're going to be doing backwards bowling. In this set, it came with an actual small, lightweight bowling ball, but Tara's going to be using a heavier ball, and she'll talk to us a little bit about that.
Okay, so this is a 2-pound weighted ball, and it's pretty soft, but I like it because it gives some good proprioceptive input as you're throwing it. So when we're going to set up the bowling pins right there, and because it's backwards bowling, we're going to be turning away from them. And the child is going to tip their head upside down, which is also great vestibular input that we're adding to this activity. And what you'll do is you'll just push the ball. You can either throw or roll the ball. And try and get those pins down. Okay? So you can vary the activity with the weight of the ball. You can also vary it with the distance that you're throwing from. And you can vary it whether you're going to throw the ball or whether you're going to roll the ball. So
some of the littler kids, they struggle to roll the ball to get it to the pins, so she's going to throw it now, or show it how she can have them throw the ball and get the pins down. She got us right. Good job. Thanks, and have fun.